guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to be doing 2 recipes. Oh, she's outside, one sec. Sorry, Facebook Market sales, if you know, you know. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a recipe right now for the baby. It's super healthy. It's high in fiber, high in protein, lots of veggies in it, so it's really good for her. I'm going to be doing that now. It's like a butternut squash lentil veggie soup. So why am I out of breath? And I just left for 2 seconds. Why am I out of breath? Anyways, and tomorrow we're going to be going to the farm. It's like a fall activity, lots of pumpkins, lots of things for the kids to do and see. There's animals, so that's going to be super exciting. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the soup first, so I'll go do that now and take you guys along. Let's just get right into it. So the first step that I'm gonna do is scoop out all of the seeds in the middle of the butternut squash. And while I'm doing that, I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So by the time I'm done doing this, the oven should be ready for me just to put it in. Before I put it in the oven, I am just spraying a few sprays of olive oil on top just to help it cook. Then I am going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes and keep checking it to make sure it's ready by sticking a fork and making sure that it goes through all the way. In the meantime, I'm going to be chopping the celery and the carrots and prepare the lentils by just measuring it out. I'm going to be using half a cup and also chopping the kale. Then once you're done all of that, you just put everything into a pot with some water and simmer it until all of the veggies are nice and soft. And then once the butternut squash is ready, I'm going to just scoop it out and put it into the soup base and blend it all up. So I like this consistency, so I am pretty much done the soup and I'm just going to be storing it in these freezer trays, and then I'm going to store this one in the fridge for about 3 days. The freezer ones can last about 3 months, and then just take it out whenever you're ready to feed baby. So it turned out so good. I like it. She's probably going to like it. So I love that she's such an easy baby. Like my first baby would not eat any sort of a new veggie texture or anything, but I'm super happy that she's willing and open to try new foods. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Oh, there you go. Are you serious? That's all you're thinking about?
La poule. Chicken? Yeah, chicken and goats and sheep. Some cows.
Yeah.
Hello, goat. Hey, goat. A goat. Hey, goat. No, chicken. Here, get some. Kai, look. See the food?
Wow.
Yeah, nice. Hello, piggy. Hello, piggy.
Wow. Careful with your hands.
He's looking. Oh, it fell down. Go ahead. Oh! All done. You want to try?
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Together. Me and you together.
You did.
Yeah. Don't hold. You're going to spill it. See? Yeah, you did it. You did it. Put your hand like this. Like this. Good job, Kai. Woo! More? Okay, put your hand like this. Ugh, this one I can't wait. It's okay. Keep it flat. Yay! Good job. All done. Beanie. All done. It's Beanie. Say bye-bye. No more food. Say see you later. All done. Yeah. And baby girls. We don't have any food for you, little one. Cute. Oh, we don't have any food for you.
He was hungry. He was shouting from the other side.
Yeah, we don't have any food.
Oh. Hi, Cam.
See, Amaya's looking at the cow. Amaya's looking.
Cuckoo. We are doing a breastfeeding break. So we saw all the animals, the pigs, the chickens, the horses, the cows. He's running around and having fun, and that's all that matters. A bit chilly, but we're here.
Oh, look at him go.
So this next recipe that I'm meal prepping for my daughter is a combination of peaches, pears, prunes, chia seeds, and cinnamon. It's supposed to help their gut so that they can go to the washroom easily. Specifically, number 2, if they're having troubles, this is something you can give them to kind of help them with that. And all you do is put all of the ingredients in the pot, let it simmer until super soft, and just blend. So really easy, really simple, and convenient. And just like any other recipe, you can store it in the freezer for 3 months or the fridge for 3 days. And yep, hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.